Hello my dear students, and let me welcome you all for your preparation for Maharashtra State Board exams with Unacademy. So now my dear students, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Shagufta Jaipuri. I am an author. I do write a lot of children books, a lot of motivational books. I am an educator from past 13 years. So I have taught in some of the best schools and institutions all over Maharashtra in my past 13 years of teaching experience. Okay, I am a mentor, coach and a YouTuber as well. I have a channel, Zenith Academy Online, very famous for ICSE and CBSE students, and now for you all I am there on Unacademy only. Okay my dear students. Also, I am an entrepreneur. I am the director of Zenith Academy Online. I have done my masters in nuclear and radiochemistry, done my B.Ed, done my diploma in industrial analytical chemistry and have won many awards in education field. Okay. Even in my research time, I have presented my research papers in many national and international conferences. I have also corrected board papers for SSC students, so I'll be in a very good position to help you write the best board papers without any mistakes. So now let's begin with today's lecture. Today we are going to study how to construct a 90-degree angle using compass. So students, let's begin the construction of 90-degree using a compass. So let us see how we can draw a 90-degree angle without using a protractor and just using the compass. Let's start. So suppose the question is draw an angle ABC right angled at B. Okay. So we will just draw a rough diagram so that we know that this B has to be a 90 degree. Okay. So this is an angle ABC which is right angled at B. So now we know that 90 degree is what, my dear children? 90 degree is equal to 60 plus 30. Okay. So we will make use of this in drawing this. Now I have already told you how to draw a 60 degree angle. So we will start with drawing a 60 degree angle. So begin with point B. So in your notebook on the ruled sheets, these are the ruled sheets, ऐसे blue lines होती है. So on the blue line you have to mark this B. Okay, बीच में मत बनाओ ताकि आपकी line completely straight आए. Okay, so on that take the point B and draw the ray BC of any measurement. So I have drawn a ray BC. Okay children. Now at B you have to draw a 90 degree using a compass. So first we will make a 60 degree. I have already explained you how to draw a 60 degree. Open it to a suitable length, put the pointer at B, okay, and draw an arc. Okay, now keeping the same measurement and now the point, at this point where this arc has met this ray, this point, at this point, okay, keep it and make a cut. Okay, children, now we know that this is 60 degree. Okay, now keeping the point here and with the same measurement, if I draw another arc, this is another 60 degree. Okay, so this is 60, this is another 60, but we want 30 now. So if I bisect these 2 points, I will get a 30. Okay, so let's bisect this. So now I can change the measurement or I can keep it as it is. It's your wish. Take the point here and make an arc. Now keeping the same measurement and taking this point at this point. Okay, the second arc. Here I will keep it and cut my previous arc. Clear? Now simply join this point of intersection to your vertex B. You can extend this and this is your ray AB. So children, now angle ABC is the required angle. This is 60 and this is 30. So this full becomes 90. If you want to check, you can use your compass. Keep this point here. Starting from the 0, make it in the straight line. Starting from the 0, see This is exactly 90 degree. So let me revise this with you once again. So first, let's take the point B here. Draw a ray BC. This is the ray BC. Now at B, you have to draw a 90 degree. Take your compass, keeping the pointer at B, draw an arc. Now keeping the same measure and the point here, cut the arc, keeping the same measurement and the point here now, cut the arc. Now this is 60, my dear children, this is also 60. So let's bisect this to make 30. So you can keep the same measurement or you can change it, it's your wish. Last time I changed it, now I am not changing it, okay. So this is where these two arcs meet, join this and the vertex B. So let me join this and the vertex B. So this is the required angle ABC, which is 90. This is 60 and this is 30. So 60 plus 30 is 90. I hope you have understood this very well. Now I want you all to draw this in your notebook and write in the comment section if you have any issues. Students, whenever you are in doubt, always ask Unacademy. So there's Ask a Doubt feature available to all the learners of Maharashtra Board. So download the app right now. Okay. Now on your app, you can ask the doubt 24/7. Okay. So here your app looks like this. Okay. Here there is a tab of doubts and solutions. Click on that tab. Okay. Click on Ask a Doubt. Can you see here? Ask a doubt. Okay. Then it would be like a WhatsApp chat. Click the picture of your doubt and send it, and then click on View Solution. Okay. Click on View Solution and you will find the answer immediately. Now children, there is an amazing feature, that is Raise a Hand feature available on Unacademy platform. So on the app, for all the plus and the iconic students, that is for those students who have taken the subscription, this icon is there. So this is Raise a Hand option, in which the students can ask live audio doubts in the class. What do you mean by that? So when I am explaining a particular question, okay, and if a student has some doubt in a particular step, so they can ask the doubt immediately in their own voice and I can clear the doubt then and there. Otherwise what happens usually in an online class is the students write in the comment box, और जब तक टीचर वो सम सॉल्व भी कर देती है और फिर कमेंट बॉक्स देखती है तो स्टूडेंट का डाउट ही रह जाता है, राइट, एंड द टीचर गोज अहेड, okay, and he is not able to understand the doubt. So the Raise a Hand option is an amazing feature. Especially it is very good for mathematics because the student can ask doubt at that very instant and get the doubts cleared. So that is why I tell all my students to take the Plus subscription and use my code SJMAMLive to get an additional 10% discount. Now let me also tell you about different batch courses that are going on in Unacademy. So there's this Alpha batch, which is a full syllabus batch delivered in English. That is the mode of instruction of the teachers would be in English. I am teaching maths there on Monday, Wednesday and Friday 4 to 5 p.m. for class 9. Then an amazing science educator Aradhna Gupta ma'am takes up science and Malia Rastogi ma'am takes up English. Okay, so all three of us are the top educators in our own fields, Shagufta ma'am, Aradhna ma'am and Malia ma'am. Okay, so go ahead and enroll in this batch. This batch will end at 31st December. Also, there are different batches going on in Unacademy. So those who are not very conversant in English can attend these batches in Hindi. So this is a mission term to all subject batch taken by Jay Mehta sir, Mantasha Khan ma'am, Nilima Roy ma'am and Ajit Chavan sir. Okay. Also, for those who want to learn in Marathi, there is this batch, Mission Term 2 batch for Maths, Science and English, taken up by Tejal Parab ma'am, Yogesh Sonavne sir and Ajit Chavan sir. So these are the amazing batch courses going on. Also, I would like to inform you all lovely students about the free test series which is happening every Wednesday and Saturday. Now these these test series are absolutely free of cost on the app. It happens every Wednesday and Saturday for the free students, and for the plus students, that is those who have taken subscription, it is every Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday. So for all of you, you can download the app now and start giving this test series. So the best part of Unacademy test series is that you get instant evaluation, you get your result, and immediately after the test there will be an educator assigned to you, okay, who will explain you all these questions very well. So if you have doubt in any of these questions of the test series, वो भी उसी वक्त solve हो जाता है, because an educator sits with you and explains you all the questions very well. Okay, so this is very helpful, dear children. The duration for the test is 30 minutes and the number of questions is 12. So 12 questions is only half an hour test. So send your brain to gyms and keep on giving these tests on Unacademy. Also right now there is this offer going on, children. So there's an offer for plus subscribers. If you want to take up the plus subscription, there is exciting mega offers for Maharashtra board students of class 9 to 12. So if you buy 12 months of your subscription, you get 6 months of the subscription free. And if you buy 24 month subscription, you get 6 months of subscription free, and this is only for first 1000 subscribers. Also, if you use my code SJMAMLive, okay, you get an additional 10% discount on the subscription. So let me tell you that these are the subscription plans. Suppose you are in class 9 and you want to buy for class 9 and 10 both. So if you buy for 24 months, okay, it is around 20,000 rupees. Okay, and if you use my code SJMAMLive, 2000, approximately 2000 rupees will be subtracted, and in 18,000 rupees you will be able to study for 2 years. That is 1 year for 9,000 rupees only. Full academic year in 9,000, and you get to learn from the top educators of India. You get notes in PDF, you get to solve a lot of question banks, lot of sample papers, lot of quizzes, tests happening. Okay, and you can attend multiple classes. You can attend my class, you can attend someone else's class. Okay, every educator is open to you. You can attend any class at your own convenience in just 9,000 rupees. Isn't that amazing, my dear children? So don't forget to use my code SJMAMLive here in the gift section below. So here it is written, add a referral code. So here you add my referral code and get the additional 10% discount. Also join my Telegram channel now. Okay, on Telegram channel search this Shagufta Jaipuri SSC. Okay, if you search this, you'll be able to enroll, you will be able to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I will keep on sharing with you important stuff, your certificates that you win in the class, my class timetable and everything, so that you don't miss any of my classes. Okay, so what are you guys waiting for, children? Go ahead and subscribe to Unacademy Plus. You can choose from a lot of payment methods like pay in parts, card, net banking, UPI, wallet, EMI, cash. You can also pay in installments for more than 12 months of subscription, and also there's an option of zero cost EMIs available. So my dear children, let's crack it on Unacademy. Bye bye and have a fruitful day.